Jesko Attack, and on the other side, the right lane, is the AMG 1. Two of the latest state-of-the-art hypercars. No hybrid in the Jesko, obviously the Formula 1 derived V6 in the AMG 1. Koenigsegg Naked Carbon, the AMG Motorsports livery. Again, cars you can find on ECR. The cars that are taking part here at SOC as we prepare for this. The pace is picked up, getting ready for the run. All right. Driver, are you ready? Thumbs up, thumbs up. We're gonna get launch controls.